Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily withdraw crypto from Bittrex to your Exodus account. So the first thing you want to do is just be in Bittrex, then go to top right next to your account is going to be holdings, and when you're going to click holdings, you're going to have Bitcoin here or whatever coin you want to withdraw and transfer to your Exodus account. Click withdraw next to the deposit. And you're going to see recipient wallet address here. So you want to simply add, go to Exodus now. Click on a wallet. Then you're going to be in Bitcoin. Click receive. And copy the address. And then you just like add the address here. And you're going to have like withdrawal amount. You just add here the amount. And this is pretty much it, how you can withdraw crypto from Bittrex to your Exodus account. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.